Ohio eCheck Kiosk. Self-testing station instructions. These easy-to-use kiosks have step-by-step instructions appearing on the screen to walk you through the simple process of testing your own vehicle. Once testing is complete, the kiosk will print a vehicle inspection report that can be used for vehicle registration or plate transfer. The self-service kiosk is intended to be open 24 hours a day, 365 days a year to provide motorists with another testing option that fits their schedules. To the right there is a very user-friendly menu that describes how to use the Ohio eCheck kiosk. Once the vehicle that needs to be tested has been parked next to the kiosk, the motorist is to click the "Touch here to proceed with your inspection" button. Once the scanner door is open, grab the scanner and scan the vehicle's VIN barcode. There are multiple locations where the barcode is located on the vehicle. If unable to scan the VIN barcode, there is an option to manually input the VIN. Once the vehicle VIN has been entered, the software will prompt to return the scanner and close the door. The kiosk will then communicate with the Ohio eCheck database. The kiosk will prompt for the motorist to enter the odometer reading from the vehicle. The kiosk will prompt the motorist to enter the license plate. The kiosk will prompt the motorist to enter the plate category. The kiosk will prompt the motorist to enter the county the vehicle is registered in. The kiosk will ask the motorist to confirm the entered information is correct. The kiosk will prompt the motorist to remove the OBD2 diagnostic device from kiosk. A sample location on where to plug into the vehicle is shown here. A sample of what to plug into is shown here. If unsure where plug is located, touch the DLC location image for My Vehicle button. The kiosk will show a red square where the plug is located on most vehicles. Once the vehicle is connected to the testing equipment, touch OK DLC connected and engine running. The diagnostic device will initialize. The kiosk will begin to connect to the vehicle. Once this portion of the test is complete, the kiosk will prompt to unplug the diagnostic device from vehicle and return it to the kiosk. Once the test is complete, the vehicle inspection report will print. Thank you for using the Ohio eCheck kiosk. For additional information or questions, please contact 1-800-CAR-TEST.